Hello all. In this video we are watching the latest bedroom wall decoration ideas. Bedroom design is very important part of home decor as bedroom is a place where we all win and relax. When it comes to choosing the what types of bedroom design you can choose and can create, there are few factors you should consider such as your personal ideas, color schemes and design style and types of furniture and other decor elements. And these few factors can help to choose the best bedroom interior design ideas and also create beautiful bedroom effective room design. Ensure that your bedroom is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. So friends, beautiful home provide a variety of bedroom design ideas to help to create your bedroom choice. This choice help to select from varied bedroom design ideas to aesthetic functionality of room sizes. The modern bedroom designs, these ideas behind creating modern bedroom is taking inspiration from minimalistic design and keeping it clutter free. When it comes to the modern bedroom design, the style are three things that can be make or break your design. These factors that is a color palette, furniture design, decor and lighting. The color palette that has been constant when it comes to creating modern bedroom. It's natural like white, beige or grey and black. And to complement the color palette, you can select the functional and multi-purpose bedroom furniture that is made out of materials such as metal, glass or wood. And next to bring the design together, select the lighting and highlight the part of the bedroom to create soft glow. If you want to add it to the something more to this modern bedroom design, this added one two statement piece of art and stylish rugs and added to the personal touch. So master bedroom is personal sanctuary of hands master bedroom design. Looks we are going to create of relaxed and peaceful space. For the same, you can start by selecting the bed that is made high quality of material and dressed with the high quality lines and pulls of pillows where you can add it to the cozy look and then room where you will lounge or have your me time. This is also added to the additional sitting space to finally highlight the space, added to the lighting that give to the soft ambience to the room, and also make sure while installing drapes or curtains, select to them. They can add it to the offer both privacy and lighting. The often when we design small bedrooms, we think we might. It's not able to design one without of cluttering. And with that, where the expert beautiful home set up by small bedroom design, it's only need two things creativity and the difference and efficient use of every inch of the space in clutter free way. The best way to design small bedroom is creating an illumination of more space, which can be used on significantly, placing the mirrors or lights. The next make sure you have enough space to store without making the room cramped, while furniture for the same to you can use multi-purpose. The furniture or wall mounted shelves, so with the right balance and despite the size of small bedroom design, can still be stylish and functional. When the luxury bedroom interior designs, it's few things that comes up in your mind. Elegance of silk bedding and flush rugs and ornate furniture that about the right gist of things to create luxury bedroom design. You can also add it to the lighting such as chandeliers or dramatic pendant lights to give that chic touch, and furthermore you can create collection of artwork or accessories to create costume look and that give to the touch of refined look. So kids bedroom design ideas, when it comes to the kids bedroom, the balance is between creating fun and functional space. For the same, you can incorporate the bright colors and playful patterns, wallpapers, create engaging environment, and other this safely also play the hug role when added into the furniture or any decor. Consider the materials that are sturdy and child friendly. To complete the design, add it to the simple play or reading area with toys or bookshelves